So we are now in the talk with the chief engineer of probably of this system ETCS SIG Tamis. And of course, in this case, I hope you will be able to tell us a little bit about how it goes on with passing procedure, because this is an European safety system, so it needs approval by European railway authorities. What we all know is always very exhausting procedure. It takes a long time, asking plenty of tests. So did you start already this contact, this procedure? How far you are eventually with this procedure?
Of course, it's hard work, really. But actually, in the Chinese market, we have built almost 20,000 kilometers high-speed railway in the past 10 years, more than 10 years. And during those projects, we have get quite a lot of experiences. Based on those experiences, we start to work for ETCS system development. Actually, it's more or less the same, since the CTCS is from ETCS. Yeah, actually. But yes, ETCS is a very huge architecture, and we get all the specifications. As I have mentioned, we have a strong team. We have different responsibilities to research the specifications, and at the same time we have asked Europe assessment corporation to take the system assessment. They also give us quite a lot of help to understand the specifications, the architecture, the system really, and our development and assessment are going almost at the same time. From the system requirement and the design and the testing, and finally we send our developed equipment to the European certified the third-party laboratory for the interoperability testing, and finally we achieved the test.
You already achieved?
Yes.
So it is done?
Yes, it's already done.
For the whole of Europe or for certain countries?
It's in.
Should be for the whole of Europe, probably, but
yes, it's in the third-party laboratory for the interoperability test, and then based on the test report, the assessment party has issued the certificate to confirm that the system is not only safety but also fulfills all the specifications in details.
And will you get this?
Yes, we have, just like this.
Germany, we have the German Federal Railway Agency, and there's a European Railway Agency. Asked when to expect final approval from European rail authorities, Mr. Geng said, "It is ongoing. We have to keep a little patience. It's a multiple-step procedure. At first we get one certificate. With this we go to another assessment party, get the next certificate. There is still a lot of work in front of us." And then Mr. Geng surprised us with a hefty dose of railroad philosophy. "I never thought about why I would come here," he said. "Surely to present our product, but beyond. But before leaving for Berlin, I met European students at the Chinese airport who visited China and who obviously liked us. Now I think that's it. We want to make friends, really. We want to communicate, to share our experience, to improve industry together with our friends." Who could resist such a charm even in tough trade talks? But we wanted to learn more about the new product, so Mr. Geng said his company will eventually offer both ETCS equipment for the vehicles and technology for assembly along the railroad tracks. The complete package, so to speak. Another important question. And for what level? I mean, you know, and European ETCS is a basic level, level 2, level 3. So what would you achieve with your system?
The name of our ETCS system is
Mr. Geng said that the ETCS system now in the process of being approved will be for levels 0, 1 and 2. His corporation is also working on the system for level 3, but that is still in the test phase. Maybe next year, he said. When we improve the system with which we are here, then it should be level 3. It seems we will hear a lot more from Hunan CRRC Times Signal&Communication, Mr. Geng's employer, and the clever engineers working there.